With over 50 years of experience, you can trust that we know how to handle any kind of job at Select Exterminating Company. We feature a team of skilled technicians that can help you with bed bugs, termites, carpenter ants, and rodents. We'll even get you started with a free estimate.
And thank you for choosing Select Exterminating. Have a great day. Hello. We at Select Exterminating use the latest in state-of-the-art pest management techniques to provide both short and long-term solutions to your pest problems. Our New York State certified pest management professionals will identify the pest and prescribe a solution based on the biology and behavior of the target pest. Also, ask us about our Green Pest Management Program, using natural materials to control pests in and around your home or business. Call us today to see the difference a progressive pest management company can make. So don't worry, we're on it.
Select Exterminating Company. Call us or visit our website now.